Life never stops. It is constantly in motion. The same could be said of business, your business. And for it to be successful, it needs to move in one direction, forward. The RG Group provides leadership in the design and delivery of innovative motion control products and solutions. For over 50 years, we've kept businesses moving in the right direction by maintaining a commitment to a very simple core concept. We keep business in motion. The RG Group specializes in the repair, installation, and troubleshooting of hydraulic, pneumatic, and electromechanical devices for the industrial, mobile, and marine markets with a commitment to quality, speed, and service. We provide a thorough evaluation of component or subsystems from one of our 2 easily accessible repair facilities in Mahwah, New Jersey or York, Pennsylvania. Whatever the brand, our trained technicians can rebuild and warranty the vast majority of key hydraulic or pneumatic global products. We don't just repair, we rebuild your valuable equipment using only original components and seals, allowing us to warranty our service for a minimum of 12 months of service. In addition to our repair business, we also offer a variety of in-plant services, including preventative maintenance, system troubleshooting, installation or diagnostic evaluation of systems or machinery. Our service and repair service are available 24/7 to keep your business moving. Innovation is creative collaboration between technical expertise, engineering, and a very true sense of what is possible. Crafting that possibility into a product, your product, is what our people do best. It's our personal commitment to create true partnerships with customers that creates a competitive advantage. Relationships, like trust, are not just built on infrastructure or technology. They are built on a foundation of belief and shared core values. These core values are the very heart of our business. The RG Group. Our business is about your business, and we keep your business in motion.